Yes, doctor.
Okay. Okay, so last week we already covered until uh, second shift theorem for Laplace transform. Okay, and any question regarding last week punya lecture? Ada soalan tak?
No, doctor.
So faham Okay. So now, okay, we continue this topic. It's still a second shift theorem, but this one how we want to get the inverse Laplace. Last week, we learned how to get the Laplace using a second shift theorem, and today, okay, we look at how we want to use second shift theorem for inverse Laplace transform. Okay, okay, as we know that for second shift theorem, if you have these equations ft minus a, ht minus a, okay, your Laplace will be exponent negative minus as, okay, fs, okay. Then this one for your Laplace, okay. How do we get this one is actually okay. Mana saya punya mouse ni hilang. Okay. So we want to find the Laplace for f t minus a h t minus a. Okay. We know that, okay, f t minus a h t minus a. Okay, you can get an exponent. Okay, this a, okay, is a second shift. Okay, minus as, and then you have to find the Laplace of f t. Okay, instead of t minus a. Okay, okay. Then Laplace for ft is a fs. Okay. Okay, now from Laplace, we want to find the t. Okay, bye. Okay, so now you from from here, okay, exponent minus a as fs, and you want to find in a t domain. Okay, so inverse Laplace exponent minus a as fs, okay, is actually, if you know that this is exponent minus a as, then automatically you know that this will be the t domain signal. Okay. Okay, we look at the example. Okay, but okay, this is the step how we want to find the inverse Laplace transform using second shift theorem. Okay, so first thing first is you have to determine the value of a. Okay, and then you write down the functions of fs, and then you can find the ft. Okay, and then you change the variable from t to t minus a. Okay. Okay. So look at this example. Evaluate the inverse Laplace transform of the following expression by second shift theorem. Okay, and then write the answer in the form of step function. Dia kata step function, bukan unit step. So you have to differentiate between step function and unit step function. there is a difference between these two. Okay, step function and the unit step function. Okay, okay, and then you have to sketch the graph. Okay, okay, so example 19A. Okay, example A. So soalannya adalah you have to find the inverse of 2 over s minus 3 exponent minus s over s plus 4 exponent minus 3s over s square. Okay, so you have 3, right? Okay, so this one, there is no exponent here. So you don't have to find the A. Awak tak perlu cari A yang ini. Okay, however, for this and this, you have to find the A. What is A in this and this? Okay, remember this one? Okay, first step is you have to determine the value of A. Okay, okay, so what is the A for this? Apa nilai A ni? A equals to? A equals to? Ada yang nak masuk ke? Okay, apa nilai A? Apa nilai A untuk yang ini? What is the A of this? Apa nilai A?
1.
1. And this one?
3.
3. Okay. Okay, so next step is write down the function of fs. Tulis function fs dia. Okay. Okay, so what is the fs of this? Fs equals to what?
Three.
Okay. Apa nilai fs dia? A you get from exponent, right? So jangan guna exponent dah. Ambil yang selebihnya. Apa fs yang tinggal? What is fs? Untuk yang ini.
3 over s.
3 over s. And how about this one?
4 over s square.
4 over s square.
Over s square.
Okay. Okay, now next step is you have to find ft from this fs yang you dapat daripada second step. Okay. Okay, so from here you dapatkan dia punya inverse dia. So ft dia equals to, okay, this one you have to refer table. Okay, kita tengok table. Okay, so refer to this table. Okay, so 3 over s. So what is the ft of 3 over s? Apa inverse kepada 3 per s?
3.
3. Okay. So So 3. Okay. Okay, so 3. Okay. Okay. And this one, FT dia? 4 per S kuasa 2. Ni kan? N factorial over S n plus 1. Okay, now we know that this one is 3 over 3 ke? Nilai dia 4 per S kuasa 2.
4.
Right. Okay, so we have 4 over S square. Okay, so look at this S square. Okay, so this S2 is sama dengan N plus 1, betul? Betul? So N plus 1 equals to 2. So your N is equals to N what? Sama juga dengan
1.
2. Okay, so this one 1 over S square. Right. Okay, so 1 over S square is actually berapa? T kuasa
2.
N. T kuasa N. T kuasa 2. T kuasa N.
T kuasa N.
N berapa?
1.
Jadi T saja.
T.
Okay. So 4 over S square, you transform to T, this one S domain, this one T domain. It will be 4
T.
T. Okay. Faham So this one is 4 T. Okay. Okay. So step yang keempat, mana tadi? Okay. Change the variable from T to T minus A for function ft. Kita dapat function ft kan? At this stage, we get the ft and now we have to change the variable from T to T minus A here. Okay? Okay. Mana tadi? Okay, this one kan? Okay. Okay. So this one, your ft minus T minus what? A dia berapa nilai? What is A? Yang ini?
1.
1. T minus 1 equals to
3.
3.
3 kan? Okay. And this one, Ft minus
3.
3 equals to 4
Plus.
T
Minus 3.
T minus 3.
3. Okay. Okay. So now, okay, you can write that, okay, this one, the inverse Laplace for x3 exponent minus s over s is actually equals to 3
3.
times with h
T.
t minus 1. Okay, and this one inverse for 4 exponent minus 3s over s square is actually equals to 4
4H.
t
Tak ada H.
minus 3 h t
3
minus
minus 3.
3. Okay, and this one inverse for 2 over s is equals to 2 over s is equals to sama juga dengan ni kan?
2.
2 per s, so sama juga dengan 2. Okay, so tulis balik. Okay, 2 over s minus 3 exponent minus s divided by s plus 4 exponent minus 3s over s square is actually equals to sama juga dengan Sama juga dengan
2
2
minus
minus
3 H
3
bracket T
A
minus 1
T minus 1
minus
Plus.
plus
4 bracket T minus 3 H bracket T minus 3.
okay. So this is what you get. So what is this actually? What is this? This is the unit step function. Okay. The answer that you get is the unit step function. Okay. You have to change the unit step to step function because the questions state that write the answer in the form of step function. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we know that masa kita mana saya boleh hilang lagi. Okay. From step function, okay, to unit step, they have a few step, right? Betul? Ingat lagi tak step dia? Okay, this one is G1 plus G2 minus G1 H T minus A plus G3 minus G2 H T minus B. If you have 3 functions, it will be like this. If 2 functions, up to this equations only. If you have 4 equations, it will be G4 minus G3 H T minus C and so on. Okay. Okay, so look at this answer. Okay, you have 3 equations. Lebih kurang kan? You have 2 minus 3 HT minus 1 plus 4T minus 3 HT minus 3. Which means you have until this. Boleh. Okay. Okay. Boleh follow saya tak?
Okay, boleh.
Boleh. Okay, so what is G1? Okay, saya tulis balik equation yang kita dapat tadi. Okay. 2 minus 3 HT minus 1 plus 4T minus 3 HT minus 3. Okay, so from here you can identify what is A and what is B. Okay, so A is 1 and B is 3, right? Betul? Okay.
Oh,
Okay, so G1 is 2.
2.
Okay, G2 minus G1 is 3. It's minus 3 because here is minus. Okay, and G3 minus G2 is this one. Okay. Okay, so G1 equals to 2. G2 minus G1 equals to minus 3. So what is G2? G2 equals to minus 3 plus G1. So what is G1? G1 is 2. Okay, so equals to minus 3 plus 2 equals to minus 1. Okay, faham tak sampai sini?
Faham.
Faham Okay, next is G3 minus G2 equals to 4T minus 3. Okay, so now this one we have G3 minus G2 equals to 4T minus 3. Okay, or equals to 4T minus 4 kali 3, 12. Okay. So kita nak dapatkan G3. So G3 equals to 4T minus 12 plus G2. Okay, so what is G2? G2 is minus 1. So you gantikan dekat sini 4T minus 12 plus minus 1. Betul? Okay, so equals to 4T minus 12 minus 1, so minus 13. Okay, so now we have a G1, we have G2, and also we have G3. Okay, then kita boleh, we can get the unit step. So unit step start with G1. Okay, it will be G1, G2, G3. Okay, G1, okay, is actually, okay, start from 0, okay, to A. This one from A, B. This one greater than B. Okay. This one T. Okay. So we already have a G1, G2, G3, A and B. And then you just plug in this form. So you have a 2. Okay. So you have FT equals to G1 is 2 from 0 to A. A is 1. And then FT equals to G2. G2 is minus 1. Okay, for T between 1 and B is 3. Okay, and then FT equals to 4T minus 13 for T greater or equals to 3. So this is your unit step. Okay, then next, okay, you have to sketch this FT. Okay, so okay. FT and this one is T. Okay, so we start from 0 to 1. Okay, this one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 0 to 1 is 2. Okay, then we have minus 1, minus 2, so on. Okay, so from 1 to 3, minus 1. So from here to 3 is minus 1. Okay, next is 4T minus 13. Okay, so this one, okay, untuk T3, okay, for T equals to 3, FT equals to 4 times 3 minus 13, then 12 minus 13 is minus 1. So betul lah dia kat sini. Okay, dia akan continue from this part, okay, ke atas. Okay, kalau you nak tahu berapa nilai paksi kat sini, you just gantikan, okay, FT ni dengan kosong, so 4T minus 13 equals to 0, 4T equals to 13, T equals to 13 divided by 4, then you get this point. Okay? Okay, ada soalan?
Doktor,
Ya, saya.
kat graf tu yang kat CX yang satu tu dia tak ada garis
Mana ya?
yang Pak Siti,
Pak Siti, okay.
yang kat 1 tu,
Kat 1 ni.
dia tak ada garis. Betul.
Ni kan? Ni,
Ah,
ni, 1. Ni,
ya,
kat atas.
kan. Lepas tu yang ke bawah tu dia tak ada garis.
Ke bawah mana? Bawah ni?
Dia tak sambung
Tak sambung, tak sambung.
Oh, okey.
Okay, dia tak sambung jangan sambungkan tau. Okay. Ada soalan lagi?
Okey.
Sebelum saya move to next. Contoh? Tak ada? Okay. You all ni bangsa tak banyak soalan Okay. Okay, next kita tengok B. Okay. You have to find the inverse for exponent minus 5s 1 plus 2s over s square. Okay. B. Okay, first you identify the A. So what is A?
5.
Apa
5.
yang A? 5. Okay, and then you have to identify the Fs. Fs equals to this one kan?
1
Ini.
plus 2s.
Okay, 1 plus 2s divided by s square. Okay, next you kena dapatkan Ft from here. Okay, so maksudnya equals to inverse 1 plus 2s over s square. Okay, this one kita boleh pecah dua. Okay, kan? 1 plus ni equals to 1 over s square plus 2s over betul? S dengan ST boleh cancel. Cancel satu je, jangan cancel dua-dua Ini S, ini S square, so tinggal 2 per S. Okay, then yang ini pun kita boleh pecah dua juga. Okay, so you have to find inverse for 1 over S square and the other one is inverse for 2 over S. Okay, so what is the inverse for 1 over S square? Jadi kita dah buat kan? Mana tadi? Yang ini kan? Kan 4 over S square sama juga. 1 per S jadi you akan dapat T. Betul? Kalau 4 over S square you akan dapat 4T. Kalau 1 per S square you akan dapat 1T. Okay. So this one will be inverse for 1 over S square is T plus with inverse for 2 over S. Inverse for 2 over S?
2.
Okay. So you have A, you have Fs, you have Ft, and now you have to change the Ft to Ft minus A. Minus A which means minus 5. Okay. Okay. So equals to T minus 5 plus 2. Okay. Faham Yang ada T saja U minus 5. Okay. Okay. You simplify this one. T minus 5 plus 2. Therefore, equals to minus 5 plus 2 equals to minus minus 5
3.
plus
3.
minus 3. Okay. Okay. Then last kali. Okay. So inverse for exponent minus 5s 1 plus 2s over s square is actually equals to equals to this one, t minus 3 times with h t minus what? T minus a. What is your a?
5.
5. Okay. So this is your answer. T minus 3, ht minus 5. This one in unit step. Okay, you change this one to step function. Okay, this one your equations is up to this. Sampai sini je kan? So you have a G1 and G2. Okay. So you have mana tadi saya punya hilang. Okay. So you have a G1 plus G2 minus G1 HT minus A. Okay. So what is G1? Apa nilai G1? You compare with this one. So what is G1? What is G1? Okay, apa nilai G1? Cepat.
1.
Ada tak G1 kat situ?
Zero.
Tak ada kan?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. So G1 equals to 0. G2 minus G1. G2 minus G1. G2 minus G1 tu yang ini.
T minus 3.
G minus 3. Okay. G2 minus G1 equals to T minus 3. And G1 equals to 0. So G2 equals to? Right. Betul tak? Betul kan? Okay, jadi mana saya punya ni asyik hilang je. FT, okay, kita tahu equals to G1, okay, 0 T to A and G2, okay, so your FT will be G1 is 0, okay, less than A is 5, okay, and G2 is T minus 3 for T greater or equals to 5. Okay, so next, okay, you plot the graph based on this one, okay. Okay, you have until 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this one is T. This one is FT. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And FT equals to 0 from 0. Saya pakai kali lain . Okay, equals to 0 from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is a G1. And G2 is T minus 3. Okay. So T minus 3, let's say your T equals to 0. Oh, nanti ke bawah kan. T equals to 5. Okay, T equals to 5. So F5 equals to 5 minus 3. So equals to 2. Okay, so ni dia di sini. Okay, F4 equals to 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Okay, tapi kita tak nak kan? Dia start dengan 5. Okay, so F6 equals to 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Okay, jadi dia naik macam ni. Okay. Ada soalan? Ada soalan?
Tak ada. Tak ada.
Okay. Okay. Faham eh? Okay. Okay, next kita tengok unit impulse function. Okay, this one also important in signal and system. Okay, dalam signal and system semester depan you akan jumpa lagi. Okay, impulse function. Okay, what is impulse function? Impulse function adalah, ini dia punya definition. Ini, sekejap. Saya punya ni selalu hilang. Okay. So delta, kalau you jumpa delta, this is impulse. Okay, delta t equals to 0. Okay, for t is not equals to 0. Okay, delta t equals to infinity for t equals to 0. Okay, so you will get something like this. 0 t. Okay, so this is delta t. Okay, if you shift this delta either to this side or this side, okay, maksudnya kita anjakkan dia denyut ni ke kanan ataupun ke kiri. Okay, so let's say kita shift dia ke kanan, we shift it to the right, okay, it will be delta t minus a. If you shift to the left, delta t plus a. Okay, maksudnya if you shift to a, okay, this one will shift to saya gantikan a ni dengan 2. Okay, this one also saya gantikan dengan 2. So this one will shift to here, and this one is delta t minus 2, and this one is delta t plus 2. Okay. Okay. And if you integrate the delta function, you will get 1. Okay. Okay. Ada soalan? Make sure you faham yang saya tunjuk ni. This one. Okay. So delta function is actually start from 0. Okay. We have this equation delta t equals to 0 for t not equals to 0, and delta t equals to infinity for t equals to 0. Which means hanya pada titik kosong ni saja dia akan ada nilai. Okay, dia akan ada satu denyut kat sini. And then if you shift to the right, it will be delta t minus a. If you shift to the left, it will be delta t plus a. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, so shifting property of unit impulse function. Okay, so kita tengok let f be the function that is continuous on the whole real line, and then let p lies between 0 and Q, and then if you do the integration from P to A, Ft delta T minus A, your answer will be F A, where A is between P and Q. Oh, this one is Q, not A, okay? Okay? Okay, kita tengok contoh. You all tengok contoh baru boleh faham. Okay? Okay, so this example, okay, we have 4 example here. Okay, you have to evaluate integration from 2 to 5, t power of 3 plus 3 delta t minus 4 dt. Okay, so when you see the del function here, is an impulse function. Okay, okay, so okay. Mana tadi? Okay. Okay. Delta is from delta t minus 4. You have delta t minus 4. Which means your impulse will occur at where? Kat mana impulse tu ada? Kalau you tengok dekat sini, titik ni, T 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, where does your delta
4.
4.
it will be here. Kan? Okay? Okay. Then, you punya FT, kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, this one. Okay, you have a FT, delta P, integration PQ, FT delta T minus A, and this one will be FA nanti. Okay, so, okay. So, ni automatic, we know that A is equals to 4, betul? From here. T minus A, okay. So, T minus 4, then your A is equals to 4 kan? Betul tak? Betul tak? A awak 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so your A is equals to 4. Okay. Saya tulis balik Sini Q, sini P, sini FT, sini delta T minus A, then this one equals to F A. Okay. Okay. Next. What is your FT? FT. FT is this one. This is your FT, betul?
Betul.
Okay. So your FT is T kuasa 3 plus 3. And what is your P? P awak sama juga dengan?
2.
Oh, saya salah P kat bawah, Q kat atas. Sorry Salah ni. P kat bawah, Q kat atas. Okay. So P is 2, Q is 5. Betul?
Betul.
Okay. So, apa FA awak? Apa FA awak?
4 power 3 plus 3.
FA awak akan jadi 4 kuasa
3.
3 plus 3. Okay. This one ni akan jadi F4. Okay. So your A adalah 4, T awak adalah 4. Okay. So sama juga dengan 12 tambah 3 sama juga dengan 15. Silap. 4 kuasa 3 jadi 12 pula. Tengok. 4 kuasa 3 berapa? Sorry, saya darab pula. 4 kuasa 3, 16 times 4, 16 kali 4, 4, 2, 64. Okay, so 64 plus dengan 3 sama juga dengan 67. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, F4 equals to 67. Okay. Okay, next look at the second example. Second example is this one. Okay. What is your A? Apa nilai A kat sini?
Negative 1/2.
Negative 1. Negative 1 over 2.
1/2 je kot. Tak.
A equals to 1 over 2. Setengah kan? Okay. And then FT? FT yang ini. Okay. So FT is exponent to T. Okay. FT is exponent to T. And then F 1 over 2 equals to exponent to 1 over 2. Cancel, cancel. So exponent 1. Okay. Betul? Betul? Salah.
Ke tak?
Salah.
Lepas
Okay.
tu jawapan dia.
Okay, cuba tengok P dengan Q. Apa nilai P? P sama juga dengan
1,
1. Q?
3,
3. Okay. So nilai A tu antara P dengan Q tak?
tak ada.
Tak kan? Jadi sama juga dengan kosong. Kan dekat sini kan dia dah statekan kan A mesti antara P dan Q. Okay.
Tak payah masuk 1/2 pun tak apa kan, terus kosong.
Dia mesti antara ni. Kalau yang ni tak antara ni jadi tak boleh. Kosong. Okay.
Faham
Yang atas ni
doktor?
boleh. Faham Ada tak yang tak faham? Tak ada. Okay, tak ada. C and D tu you solve. Cuba solvekan Tak dapat nanti boleh kita bincang masa tutorial. Okay. Saya takut tak sempat ni. Okay. Kita ada lagi banyak topik lagi. Okay. Tadi baru kita evaluate impulse function. Kita belum buat Laplace lagi. Kita baru evaluate. Okay. Okay, so now kita nak dapatkan Laplace transform for unit impulse function. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this one is impulse function. Okay. So Laplace for delta t minus a, okay, is actually equals to integration from 0 to infinity exponent minus st. Ini by definition macam kita buat masa introduction Laplace. Okay. You integrate from 0 to infinity exponent minus st delta t minus a dt. Okay. And this one, okay, kalau kita kamelkan, if we integrate delta t minus a, what do we get? You integrate delta t minus a. Kau akan dapat 1. Betul? Okay, so you will get 1. Okay, jadi Laplace for delta t minus a is actually equals to exponent minus a. Okay, and Laplace for, if you have a function t, delta t minus a, okay, function t yang ni yang tadi kita evaluate kan tadi. Yang ini kan, you have this kind of equation you nak transform ke Laplace, okay, it will be fa exponent minus AS. Okay, so that's why tadi kita evaluate FA. Okay, because we want to use at this part. Okay. 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 Okay, diam, tak ada setuju Okay. Okay, tengok example ni. Example 21. Okay, so you have to evaluate. First is delta T minus 3 minus delta T minus 6. Okay, so macam mana you buat? Okay, A is, you want to find the Laplace for delta T minus 3 and then minus delta T minus 6. Okay. Apa saya buat ni? Kejap Okay. So you can separate Okay. So Laplace for delta T minus 3. Okay, minus Laplace for delta T minus 6. Okay. So delta T minus 3. Okay, you can refer to this. Okay, you can refer to this table. Okay. Delta T minus A. You get exponent minus AS. Okay. Okay, Laplace for delta is exponent minus AS. Okay, so this one equals to exponent minus 3S minus exponent minus 6S. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Keep on.
Okay, next is delta 8T tolak 2. B is Laplace plus 8 delta T tolak 2. Okay. This one, okay. So actually 8 dia boleh keluarkan sebab dia constant kan. So 8 and then Laplace delta T minus 2. Okay. So sama juga dengan 8 delta T minus 2 will be exponent minus 2S. Okay. Okay, faham
Faham.
Okay, C. Okay, you want to find the Laplace for delta T plus 5. T plus 5. Okay, so equals to T plus 5. Selalunya T minus 5. So this one will be exponent 5 S. Okay, because your A equals to minus 5, then this one will be exponent minus 5S. So that's why you get exponent 5S. Okay? Okay?
Okay, Doctor.
Okay. And then Laplace for ET delta 2T minus 3. Okay. Laplace for E t delta 2t minus 3. Okay. Okay.
Okay, dulu.
Okay. This one, okay. Awak kena buat kaedah gantian. Okay. Sebab dekat sini kita ada 2 t. Dia mesti t saja. Okay. So, kita pakai kaedah gantian. Okay. Okay, you pakai kaedah gantian U equals to 2T. U sama juga dengan 2T. Okay. Dan T equals to, T sama juga dengan? T sama juga dengan?
2U.
U per 2. Okay. And the dt over du equals to dt over du equals to
1/2.
1 over 2. Okay. Okay. Ini tadi yang ini kan. Okay, so this one. Okay. Laplace. Okay. E. Okay. This one we want to change to U. This one also we have to change it to U. Okay. So T equals to U over 2. So kita gantikan So equals to T equals to U over 2. Ni, this T kita gantikan dengan ni. Okay. Okay, and then delta 2 times U over 2 minus 3. Okay. Okay. Okay tak?
Okay, boleh.
Okay tak?
Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay, so sama juga kita permudahkan ni dua ni cancel kan? Okay, jadi Laplace eksponen U over 2 delta U minus 3. Okay. Okay. Okay, lepas tu kita buat kamiran. Okay. So, kita kamirkan ini sama juga dengan kamiran kosong ke infinity. Okay. Kosong ke infinity. Eksponen minus ST. Okay. Times with exponent U over 2. Okay. Delta U minus 3 dt. Okay. Then T and T ni kita gantikan dengan yang kaedah gantian ni. Okay. So this one will be kamiran kosong ke infinity exponent minus S T you replace with U over 2. Okay. So this one U over 2 times exponent U over 2. Okay. Delta U minus 3 bawah pula. U minus 3. Okay. dt. dt you gantikan dengan ni. So dt kita sama juga dengan dt equals to 1/2 du. Okay. So dt you replace with 1 over 2 du. Okay. Up to this one, faham tak? Faham Okay. Next, setengah ni kan. Setengah ni kita bawa keluar dekat luar sebab dia constant. Okay. So, sama juga dengan setengah. Okay. Kami run. Integrate from 0 to infinity. Okay. Saya salin balik You have an exponent minus SU over 2. Betul? Exponent minus SU over 2 times with exponent U over 2 delta T minus 3 du. Okay? Okay, so sama juga dengan setengah integrate 0 to infinity. Okay, so U kita faktorkan U. So now you have an exponent minus S over 2 plus 1 over 2 U, okay, delta T minus 3 du. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay, doctor.
Okay. Okay. So yang ini, this one, remember tak yang ini yang kita evaluate dekat sini? Mana tadi? This part. Kita buat evaluation kat sini kan? Kami run from P to Q, Ft delta T minus A equals sama juga dengan F A. Your A must be between P and Q. Okay. So kita tengok balik dekat sini. Ni kan? From here, you tengok dekat sini A awak adalah 3 and P equals to 0, Q equals to infinity. Okay, so A ni antara kosong dan infinity tak? Is A in between 0 and infinity?
It is.
Kan, sama kan? Dia antara kan? Okay, then baru kita boleh pakai F A tadi. Okay, F A ni if A antara P dan Q. Okay, baru kita boleh pakai yang ini. Okay, so A awak 3 jadi F3, F3 equals to exponent minus S over 2 plus 1 over 2 times with U is 3. Okay. Okay, jadi sama juga dengan this is your F3 and this one. Okay, so Laplace untuk exponent T delta 2T minus 3 is actually equals to this one. Setengah kamiran 0 ke 8 exponent minus S over 2 plus 1 over 2 U delta T minus 3 du and equals to F3. Okay, and equals to F3, and what is F3? F3 is equals to equals to setengah F3. Because here you have half kat depan ni kan. This one yang equals to F3. Okay. Okay. So what is F3? F3 adalah exponent minus S over 2 plus 1 over 2, 3. Okay. Ini jawapan dia. Ada soalan? Dia macam berbalik-belik sikit. You kena first kali, okay, yang ni, kalau if you have this kind of question, is very direct. But if you have this kind of question, you have a ft and del function, okay. If your del function is just t minus 3, then it's quite straightforward. If something like this, okay, 2t, okay, is okay, then you have to do a lot of modification using substitution dengan menggunakan kaedah gantian. Okay, faham
Faham doctor.
Okay, tak apa, you all practice make perfect. Okay, a lot of practice.
Okay, doctor.
Okay. Okay, next is this one. Yang ni dah kan. Okay, so this one. Laplace for t square delta delta 3 minus t. Okay. So you want to find the Laplace for t square delta 3 minus t. Okay, this one also you kena buat. You have to do some modification because this one is minus t. Okay, always remember if your delta is not t minus a, you need to do some modification. Okay, okay, so kita pakai kaedah gantian where u equals to minus t. Okay, and du over dt. Oh sorry, du over dt pula silap sorry. U equals to minus t and t equals to t sama juga dengan minus u. Betul? Betul?
Betul.
Okay. Then dt over du equals to minus 1. Okay. And dt is actually equals to minus du. You naikkan du ke atas kan? Okay. Okay. Okay, sama juga kita buat tadi. Okay, sama je. Mana tadi saya punya mouse? Okay. So, Laplace ni sama juga dengan Laplace t gantikan dengan negatif u. Jadi, awak akan ada negatif u square delta u plus 3. Okay. Then, kita evaluate dia Okay. So, sama juga dengan you start from 0 to
Negatif infinity.
negatif sebab sini dia negatif kan. This one dia negatif. Jadi kalau you ada kamiran kosong ke infinity, okay, kalau you ada sama juga dengan negatif infinity tu kosong. Okay, sebab sini kita ada negatif. It's equals to negative. Okay, so this one is you integrate from minus infinity. Okay, you integrate from minus infinity to 0. Okay, exponent oh sorry, belum sampai sini lagi kejap. Saya skip satu step sekejap. Okay, kita tulis dulu yang ini. Kosong to infinity. Okay, u negatif u square, you akan dapat u kuasa 2. Okay, times with exponent minus st, okay, delta u plus 3, okay, dt. dt is, this one is dt. Okay. And then you gantikan dt ni dengan, you replace dt with minus du. Okay. Then it will be, sini minus kan, minus, so minus keluarkan, jadi dia akan jadi negative infinity 0. Okay. So you have here is, awak ada apa? Awak ada exponent minus s, you gantikan juga dengan t, t you ganti juga dengan u, then you dapat negative u. Okay, so negative s, negative u, delta u plus 3 dt du. Negatif kita dah bawa ke sini. Okay, then equals to minus infinity 0 exponent, sorry saya termiss u square here. Okay, so minus s time minus u is a s u.
Doktor,
Ya saya.
yang integration dia ada sendiri punya negatif, dan du ada negatif, bukan cancel out jadi positif.
Sekejap
Sebab dia kosong jadi atas kan.
betul. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so dt is negative du. Okay, so tadi yang ni kan, saya dah tulis kat sini kan. So you change this one to this one, so you dapat negative. So negative time dengan negative ni, sini kosong, sini jadi positif. Okay, this one positive. Okay, and then this one exponent su times with u square delta u plus 3 du. Betul tak? Betul ya?
Betul.
Okay, so this one you evaluate tadi. Okay. Mana tadi? U awak, A awak equals to, from here, A equals to, A sama juga dengan, from here, U plus 3, then A equals to,
3.
selalunya delta U minus A. So, kalau minus A, dia akan jadi A. Kalau sini plus, this one will be negative, betul?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So, A is negative 3. What is P? P is minus infinity. What is Q? Q is 0. So, is it A between P and Q?
Yes.
Yes, right. If A between P and Q, then you can find F minus 3. Okay. So, equals to F minus 3 equals to these equations exponent S U minus 3 square. Okay, so equals to minus 3 square equals to 9 exponent minus 3s. Okay. Okay. Faham?
Yeah, faham doktor.
Faham Okay. So last example is Laplace t square delta minus 3 minus t. Okay. Okay, so from here, what is your A? A awak sama juga dengan
-3.
A awak sama juga dengan -3 ke? Okay,
3.
buat balik macam tadi. Macam you buat yang ini. Mana tadi? Yang ini. Okay. Okay. Kita punya ni T square delta minus 3 minus T D. Oh sorry, tak ada dt. Okay. Okay, so awak punya T equals to minus U equals to minus T. Then T equals to minus U. Betul? Betul?
Betul ada.
Okay. Lepas tu? Lepas tu? D
Du dt.
T equals to negative D U. Betul?
Betul.
Betul kan? Okay, lepas tu? You gantikan dekat sini kan? Okay. So you gantikan, you akan dapat tadi Laplace, okay, negative U square delta U minus 3. Betul? Kan? So sama juga dengan kosong ke negatif infinity. Okay. Kosong ke negatif infinity and then exponent minus ST. Okay. This one U square delta U minus 3 dt. Okay. Then kita gantikan T dengan U, dt dengan du. Okay. So this one kosong ke negatif infinity will be negatif infinity kosong. Okay. Exponent minus st, gantikan t dengan negatif u. So s negatif u square delta u minus 3 dt is negative du. Okay. Then you will get minus negative infinity kosong exponent su u square delta u minus 3. Okay, so negatif and negatif ni jadi positif So tak ada kat sini. Positif du. Okay, so sampai sini kita boleh pilih nak guna FA. Okay, dengan syarat A mesti antara P dan Q. A must be between P and Q. Then we can use FA. Okay, so what is your A from here? Apa nilai A awak? 3 ke minus 3?
3.
3. What is your P? Apa nilai P awak?
Negative infinity.
Negative infinity. What is your Q?
0.
0. So is it lie between minus infinity to 0? A awak antara negative infinity 0 ataupun tak?
Tak.
Tak. Jadi you tak boleh pakai yang ini. Therefore your answer will be
Kosong.
kosong. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so last topic before we move to application. Okay, this one also important in your signaling system. So make sure you really understand. Okay. Okay, so periodic function. Okay, periodic function tu dalam bahasa Melajunya adalah fungsi berkala. Maksudnya dia berulang. Okay, so Ft equals to Ft plus T besar. Okay, yang mana where your T, capital T is the period of the function F. Itu adalah tempoh masa bagi function F. Okay, if Ft equals to Ft plus capital T, then this is the periodic function. Maksudnya signalnya berulang dalam tempoh T. Okay. Okay, so Laplace transform for periodic function adalah Ft. Okay, Laplace for this one is a 1 over 1 minus exponent minus S capital T. You integrate from 0 to capital T. Maksudnya you integrate antara tempoh dia exponent minus ST Ft dt. Okay, so this is for periodic function. Okay. Okay. So kita tengok example ni, sketch the graph of the following function and then find KTS ni, find salah tulis kot ni find the Laplace transform of this function. Okay, so you have Ft equals to exponent minus T. Okay, for T between 0 to 1. Okay, and this is your T besar, which means your period. T equals to 1. Okay, and if you look at this, the second one, you have gt equals to sine t for t between 0 and pi, and gt equals to 0 for t between pi and 2 pi. Therefore, your period is 2 pi. Maksudnya, signal awak berulang pada tempoh 2 pi. Dia akan ulang signal yang sama. Setiap 2 pi, setiap 2 pi, setiap 2 pi. Okay? Faham T tu? T besar? Okay, diam, saya ambil tanda, faham. Okay, so A is Ft equals to exponent minus T, where your T is between 0 and 1. Okay, and then your Ft plus 1, which means your period equals to 1. Okay, if you sketch the function, the graph, it will be 1, 2, 3. So this is the tempoh dia. Ini tempoh dia. T, period. T. T. Okay. So exponent minus T. Grafnya macam mana? When T0, bila T0, exponent 0 equals to 1. So dia akan start pada 1. Okay. Macam ni. Macam ni. Macam ni. Dan dia akan berulang sampai infinity. Pada T, ini 4, ini 5, ini 6. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Faham dia punya period, tempoh masa dia. Tempoh masa sebelum dia ulang semula signal yang sama. Cukup tempoh tu diulang lagi. Cukup tempoh tu diulang lagi. Faham Okay, jadi kita, so the Laplace for periodic function is this one. Okay. Okay, so Laplace for Ft will be equals to 1 over what? Exponent minus st besar. X1 minus exponent minus st besar. And then you integrate between 0 to t. Okay. Integrate between 0 to t. Exponent minus st ft. Exponent minus st ft dt. Okay, so capital T is 1. Okay, this is capital T. Ft is exponent T. Okay, so kita masukkan kat dalam ni. So it will be 1 over 1 minus exponent minus s times 1. Integrate between 0 to 1. Exponent minus st. Ft is exponent minus t dt. Okay, equals to 1 over 1 minus exponent minus s, and then you integrate from 0 to 1 exponent minus s
ST plus
plus s plus 1 t dt. Okay. Okay, equals to 1 over 1 minus exponent minus s. Okay, you integrate exponent, you will get minus exponent minus s plus 1 t divided by s plus 1. 0 to 1. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sekejap pun tengah
Okay.
salin.
Huh?
Tengah salin pun. Ya.
Okay, salin dulu. Okay, dah salin, dah habis salin belum?
Dah pun.
Dah. Okay. Okay, and then kita gantikan, we replace t with 1 and 0. Okay, equals to 1 over 1 minus exponent minus s. Okay. Okay. Now we have minus exponent minus s plus 1 over s plus 1. Okay. And then plus minus, and then minus jadi plus exponent. Kita gantikan t dengan kosong. Okay. This will be exponent 0 over s plus 1. Okay. So exponent 0 is 1. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ya, okey doktor.
Okay. Sekejap eh. Okay. So Fs sama juga dengan Fs equals to, okay, sorry, okay, this one times with this one. Okay, ini darab dengan ni kan, ini darab ni. So you have here is, akan ada dekat bawah ni, you have 1 minus exponent minus s, 1 minus exponent minus s times with Hakim, slow sikit, suara kali kuat lah. Okay, times with s plus 1. Okay, ni, ini darab ni kan. Okay, s plus 1. Okay, atasnya kita ada 1. Okay, 1 minus exponent minus s plus 1. Okay. Kurungan Okay, so exponent minus s plus 1. Okay. Faham?
Faham doktor.
Faham Okay.
Oh boleh.
Okay, so kalau faham, kita tengok yang kedua. Okay, yang ini. Okay. GT equals to sin T untuk T antara kosong ke pi dan GT equals to 0 untuk pi hingga 2 pi. Okay, so okay, GT equals to sin T, okay, and then 0, okay, and also G T plus 2 pi, which means period of this signal is T equals to 2 pi. Okay, so kalau if you plot the graph, okay, one will be pi, 2 pi, okay, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi. This one is T. Okay, from 0 to pi is sin T. So it will be this one. From pi to 2 pi is 0 here. And then it will repeat again, sine, and then 0. And then repeat again, sine, 0. Okay, so the period of this signal is 2 pi. So this is the period. Maksudnya, setiap 2 pi dia akan repeat the graph. Okay? Okay?
Ya, okey doktor.
Okay. Okay, so untuk Laplace-nya boleh buat tak? Boleh buat sendiri tak? Ke nak kena saya tunjuk juga? So untuk Laplace, okay, we know that the T equals to 2 pi, okay, and then the Laplace for GT, okay, is actually 1 over 1 minus exponent minus ST integrate between 0 to T, okay, exponent minus ST, FT, dt. Okay. Okay. So Laplace for GT is actually GS equals to 1 over 1 minus exponent minus S, T is 2 pi. Okay. Okay. And then you integrate between 0 to 2 pi, exponent minus ST, FT is GT, dt. Okay. So what is GT? Okay, so you have 1 over 1 minus exponent minus 2 pi s. Okay, GT kita ada dua kan? Okay, from 0 to pi and from pi to 2 pi. Okay, from 0 to pi GT is equals to sin T, and from pi to 2 pi equals to 0. Okay, so you have two integration. Okay, 0 to pi sin T, oh sorry, sin, you ada exponent you ada exponent minus ST times sine t. Okay, and then you plus another one, pi to 2 pi exponent minus st times 0. Okay, dt. So this part is cancel. Tak payah buat dah. Okay, sebab dia 0. Okay, so you just have this one. Okay, you have here is gs equals to 1 over 1 minus exponent minus 2 pi s. Okay, you integrate from 0 to pi exponent minus st sin t dt. Okay. Okay, ini you nak kena pakai kaedah apa?
Tabular method.
You use tabular. Okay, so you use tabular. You have a sign t here, and then you have exponent minus st. Okay, you differentiate sin t, you get awak differentiate sin t, awak dapat
Cos t.
cos t. Awak differentiate cos t, awak dapat
Negative sin t.
negative sin t. Okay, you integrate exponent, you get negative exponent negative st over st. Betul? Sorry. Over s. Over s. Betul? Kan? And then you integrate lagi yang ni, you akan dapat exponent minus st over s square. Okay. Okay. Okay, lepas tu? Okay. This part, tabular, integrate from 0 to pi, exponent negative st, sin t dt equals to, ni, darab ni. Okay, sin t darab ni, awak dapat negative exponent minus st over s sin t. Okay, and then minus with cos t times this one. Okay, betul? Okay, so mana tadi mark saya? Cos t darab ni, you get exponent at minus st over s square cos t, and then next
Tolak sin t.
this one minus
Exponent negative st over s cos 2
minus 1 over s square integrate exponent minus st sin dt. Oh, sin t dt. Okay. And then you simplify this one. Okay. Awak akan dapat ini sama juga dengan you all dah cakap kan tabular punya integration. Senyap je ni.
1/s² pindah ke depan.
1/s² pindah ke mana?
Depan.
Depan sini.
Depan equal to.
Depan ni. Depan ni ke?
Depan equal.
Depan ni.
Ya.
So 1/s²
Plus 1.
plus 1.
Ha. Lepas
Okey,
tu
lepas tu?
bracket.
One over s² plus 1.
Bracket. Lepas tu yang integrate everything tu.
Kejap. Okay, equals to?
Equal to everything behind except -1/s².
Negative exponent negative s t over s sin t minus okay. Yang lain faham tak? Awak bawa yang ni ke sini. Yang lain diam je ni. Okay, lepas tu? Next. Equals to?
Everything divide by the things
Divide by
inside.
this one.
Ha.
Jadi, dia akan jadi? Macam mana saya nak tulis ni? Divide by this one maksudnya kita terbalikkan, betul? Is it right? Kita terbalikkan kan?
Ha, ya.
Okay, so bila terbalikkan you dapat sini berapa? One over s² plus 1 you terbalikkan you dapat?
S -2.
Kan? Pecahan you bahagikan bila you bawa ke sini dia terbalik kan? Betul? 1/2 you bawa ke sini dia akan jadi 2. Betul? 3/2 dia akan jadi 2/3. So 1 over s² plus 1 you bawa ke sini dia akan jadi?
S kuasa 2 tolak 1.
S² plus 1.
Ha?
S² plus 1.
Bukan?
S² minus 1.
Bukan?
S² over 1 plus s².
Betul? Ni. 1/s kuasa 2 tambah 1 sama juga dengan you samakan pembawah dia s kuasa 2 1 tambah ini akan jadi s kuasa 2. Bila you bawa ke sebelah sini dia akan terbalik. Yang ini ke atas, yang ni ke bawah. Okey? Okey? Okey. Okey, lepas tu ni okey. Ni salin balik lah. Negatif eksponen negatif st per s sin t tolak eksponen negatif st per s kuasa 2 cos t. Okay.
Cuba.
Okay. Okay. Lepas tu, tak muat lah pula dekat sini S kuasa 2. Dah habis dah Sekejap Show, keep. Slide. You all ada kelas tak lepas ni? Ada kelas tak?
Tak ada.
Tak ada Kalau ada bagi tahu so ini sama juga.
Ada.
Okay, yang ada boleh keluar pergi kelas dulu. Yang tak ada boleh stay. Equals to S kuasa 2 per 1 tambah S kuasa 2. Okay. Then we have minus exponent ST over S sin T minus exponent minus ST over S square cos A. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this one, equals to S square over 1 plus S square. Okay. Ini kita faktor keluarkan exponent minus ST. Okay, kita faktor keluarkan yang ini So, exponent minus ST over S square. Okay, kita keluarkan S square. So, this one, bila you keluarkan S square, you kena darabkan dengan S dekat sini. So, now you have negative S, sin T, minus cos T. Okay, because kita keluarkan S kuasa 2. Okay, this one S square, this one S saja. So, bila S saja, so you have to times dengan S satu lagi. Jadi, you dapat sini S kuasa 2. Okay. Okay, so ini dengan ini you boleh cancel. Okay. Then you have exponent minus ST over 1 plus S square negative S sin T minus cos T. Okay. So this is your answer and then you replace T with 0 and pi. Okay. So you replace T with 0 and pi, you will get exponent negative S pi, over 1 plus S square. Okay. Here will be minus S sin pi minus cos pi, minus, exponent, you replace T with 0, so exponent 0 over 1 plus S square negative S sin 0 minus cos 0. Okay. Okay, so sin pi, what is sin pi? Sin pi is 0. Betul? Cos pi is minus 1. Sin 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Right. Okay. So cos pi is minus 1. Okay. Cos 0 is 1. Sin pi is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Okay. So kita cuma ada dekat sini saja Okay. So kita tulis jawapannya sama juga dengan exponent minus ST exponent minus S pi over 1 plus S square minus 1 times minus, so minus will be positive. Okay, so positif 1 saya tak tulis and then minus with exponent 0 is 1. 1 over 1 plus s square minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 minus, so plus. So plus 1 over 1 plus s square. Okay. Okay, so ini jawapannya. Ataupun you can write as 1 over s square exponent minus s pi plus 1. So either one is okay. Okay.
Ya, okey dah.
Okay, ini tak habis lagi kan? Ini baru kita dapatkan this one, baru yang bahagian sini. Okay?
Betul.
Okay, lepas tu you gantikan masuk balik dekat jawapan yang kita dapat dekat sini. Okay, kita masuk balik dekat sini. Okay, so it will be GS equals to, okay, 1 over 1 minus exponent minus 2 pi s. 1 over 1 minus exponent minus 2 pi s darabkan dengan exponent minus s plus 1 plus s square. Okay. 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 So kalau okay, and this one 1 minus exponent minus 2 pi s is actually equals to 1 over 1 minus exponent pi s. Okay, 1 minus exponent 1 plus exponent negative pi s. Okay, this one negative. Okay. Okay, didarabkan dengan exponent minus pi s plus 1. Okay, divide by 1 plus s square. Okay, so this one you can cancel with this one. Cancel. Then your final answer GS will equals to, okay, 1 over 1 minus exponent minus pi s times with 1 plus s square. So this is your final answer. Okay, ada soalan? Tak ada? Okay, so kalau tak ada, saya stop dekat sini. Okay, so kita jumpa hari Rabu. Okay, so hari Rabu kita buat tutorial. Okay, so make sure you submit soalan tutorial.
Betul.
Okay, so yang mana ada kelas dah boleh leave the class and then join